here we are at the new spot. We're here somewhere. There's me. Hey. Kitty! Kitty! What's up, kitty? Kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty. Kitty, kitty. Hey, I'm talking to you, cat. Don't you ignore me. Let's see. Alright, so there's the kitty cat and some drums. And there's the bathroom. This is our room. What's up, kitty? Taking my chair. That's my chair. We're still moving.
It's not going to pay. And that's what happens in almost every country around Africa. Because everybody's going to say, well, what is my village, what does my village have to show for the fact that you are the minister of this or the commissioner of that or the president of this or the chairman of that? You know, we need to get away from that.
We'll go upstairs to Natus and Cat's room.
It's a continent that has the most natural resources for the world.
Buddy! Jägermeister, step! Jägermeister! I want some damn Jaeger.
I got you a beer.
I got a beer here too. I don't want this. This isn't working for me.
It's just not getting it done.
No, can I please have some Jaegers? You know,
Is there-
tea and cat. I'm not gonna drink the whole fucking bottle. I just want a couple shots right now.
Is there Jaeger down there?
At the liquor store there is. Buddy!
Dude, I got like $5 to my name. Okay, will you sign it, buddy? Buddy! Sign what?
The slip when you fucking swipe the card.
Sure.
Or I'll give you my ATM card. You go get it, because I need to, because you give me your check, remember?
Yeah.
I'll say ASAP.
Are you having a moment here?
What are you going to do when I'm in the delivery room? If this is what you do
I said I'm gonna be on drugs.
You said we were drugs. I said I don't have drugs when I have children.
I say, well, I will be on drugs.
So this is the pregnant puppy here.
Yeah. T, you there?
She's close.
And she
She's
is...
close.
You better not go anywhere. This
I
is
swear. I swear.
I'll get man up on your ass.
There is a puppy like I literally I can
Oh, she's right on her side now. First one's coming up.
see the contraction.
I don't believe it's gonna come out of that fucking coochie. Whoa!
Right there.
Whoa, that's the puppy.
That's the puppy right there.
All right, give me a camera. Give me a camera and go. Get the credit cards and all that shit. And get your hand out of her ass, cat.
You know, she could have trouble delivering them. I want to make sure she doesn't have a problem pushing them out.
Give him the card.
I've had a child, okay?
Okay, I gotta put it on the.
Play and pause.
Is it playing?
It's on record.
Okay.
Don't you, I do not want to miss it. Don't you pop it out before I get back.
Here.
Alright, I got it.
Put your hand through the hand strap.
Okay.
Okay. And then this is to zoom in and out right there.
We don't want any zooming going on here.
Look, that's a puppy.
Alright, that's good.
There. That's a puppy. Right
Alright, stop touching her ass.
Okay, let me get more.
Yeah, I'm getting some Jaeger tea, and, that's that. I need a couple shots. Whoa, okay. We got it. We're documenting this, too, so say hi.
Hi.
Hey, say hey.
Hey. Oh, shit.
Oh, this is going to be gnarly when it comes out. And last night, my neighbor was walking his dog, and there's this house down there that has pit bulls and shit. It's just like Simba was, the same kind of pit bull. And the dude's walking his dog, and the pit bull got out and attacked his dog and then tried to attack him. And so he came home and took his dog to the put him in his house, and he called the cops. The cops went down there and tried to deal with the dog, and they shot it.
Damn.
Yeah, so the guys had to go to the precinct and everything. And you see this guy walking by the house this morning, and he's got a shovel with him.
Wow. Damn.
Damn, Sativa just busted some serious ass.
Well, she's doing all that pushing. There's not room in there.
She's doing a lot of farting, too.
I'm ready. I'm ready to
You
catch.
want to do if you're pushing that hard?
Hey,
I keep
it's not
telling
my fault I have testicles instead of ovaries.
I keep telling them, I pushed a 7-pound baby out of my coochie. You think she can't push him out of
Damn right.
You got the male? He's not the, yeah, that's the one that tracks. The girl.
Here you got to, you gotta pop that open or slide
How are
over.
you seeing it yourself? How are you seeing yourself right now? Oh, you got it backwards.
No, sit down right there. Grab the Jaeger. I'm gonna have a toast here.
Toast.
The good puppies died.
Say hey to Mama.
Hello, phenomenal.
Let's need us. Right here.
You talking about your new pimping pad?
You hold that.
Okay.
You can spin that around the other way. There you go.
Check that out. And she's about to do it again?
Oh, we have little
I think
puppies.
she might be relaxing. It's hard to say.
Yeah.
She's not having any contractions. She'll just be resting.
And then there was two.
I think that she's not having one.
She looks high. She looks high, doesn't she?
Yeah. She's tired. Poor puppy.
I think there's more in there.
Yeah, there's a couple more. I'm thinking 4 to 6.
Oh my God, please don't say 6.
Shit, I don't want to get more.
Okay.
You want one?
I do, but won't you open the window or something?
Okay. Do you want one?
Yeah. I don't want to do it.
We're in the toilet, man.
This will make it
This is where Cat will be going out Sunday topless.
Mine. Just be now. Now. But see, she's good about it. She's getting out of the way. She's trying to, lift her leg, making sure they can get in there and stuff. She's doing good. I was a little worried about her.
Hmm.
Thank you. Mom's this way. Yeah, Mom's that way. And I didn't realize they'll nurse and look at through nursing and they just want to nuzzle. So they're digging all around in there trying to get close to her, and I thought, but they don't want to eat. And I didn't know they just want to be warm. Their mama. Are they sleeping? They're like babies. When they get still, I'm like, are they breathing?
Mhm.
You got a full belly? Which one are you wrong? Over here with your brother. See, this is the one. See how he just looks different? To me, he looks like different than this one. He looks more gray
Mhm.
than black.